Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegetarian chili. First, gather your ingredients. This easy method focuses on plant-based components, ensuring a hearty and satisfying meal for everyone. You'll find that many common pantry items are all you need for quick preparation. We'll show you how to achieve a rich, deep flavor profile without any meat, making it perfect for any diet or occasion. To start, select a diverse mix of beans. Kidney, black, and pinto beans work wonderfully for texture and protein. Next, dice up fresh vegetables like onions, colorful bell peppers, and sweet corn to add vibrant flavors and nutrients. Finally, build your robust tomato base using a large can of crushed tomatoes and a small amount of tomato paste for extra richness. Begin by sautéing your aromatics, such as minced garlic and diced onions, until they become fragrant and translucent. This step is crucial for building a strong flavor foundation. Then, generously add your spices. Chili powder, ground cumin, and a touch of smoked paprika will provide a wonderful depth. Finally, let your chili simmer for at least 30 minutes, allowing all those delicious flavors to meld together beautifully. When serving, get creative with your garnishes. Fresh cilantro, sliced avocado, or a dollop of plant-based sour cream can elevate your bowl. Remember, chili often tastes even better the next day, so don't hesitate to make a large batch and store leftovers properly in an airtight container. For more great tips and deals, including a link for Little Tree's black ice to keep your car smelling fresh, check the description below this video.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.